Nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka, around 200 kilometers from Colombo, is the Kaudulla National Park. It stands as a testament to the country's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. This important national park offers a captivating blend of history, ambience, and geography that has made it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. Kaudulla National Park's history is intertwined with the broader conservation efforts in Sri Lanka. Originally established as a wildlife sanctuary, it later gained the status of a national park in 2002. The park was created to protect the diverse and fragile ecosystems within its boundaries and provide a safe haven for the region's wildlife, especially the iconic Sri Lankan elephant. Over the years, it has become a key player in the conservation of Sri Lanka's natural heritage. The park's geography is dominated by Kaudulla Lake, a large reservoir at its center. This reservoir is a vital water source for the park's inhabitants and plays a pivotal role in shaping the ecosystem. The water, which comes from the adjoining Minaria Lake, flows into the Kaudulla Lake via massive sluice gates. Surrounding the reservoir, you'll find a mix of grasslands, scrublands, and dense forests, providing diverse habitats for a wide range of wildlife species. Stepping into Kaudulla National Park is like entering a serene oasis of nature. The park exudes an ambience of tranquility and wilderness. The air is thick with the scents of the forest, and the sounds of the jungle fill the ears. From the melodious songs of birds to the occasional trumpeting of elephants. Tall grasslands, lush forests, and pristine water bodies provide a diverse and visually stunning landscape. Kaudulla National Park's climate is characterized by the tropical monsoon climate, typical of Sri Lanka. The park experiences two distinct monsoon seasons, with the northeast monsoon bringing rain from November to February, and the southwest monsoon from May to September. The sloth bear, Ceylon spotted deer, Sri Lankan leopard, Samba deer, and the Sri Lankan elephant are some of the predominant large mammals visible. The faunal species recorded in the park include 24 species of mammals, 25 species of reptiles, 26 species of fish, and 160 species of bird. BirdLife International has identified the park, including adjacent zones of Girithale and Minaria, as an important bird area. In addition to the many species of water bird, lesser adjutant, woolly-necked stork, spot-billed pelican, and painted stork, populate the water bodies and surrounding banks of the lake. Kaudulla, along with Minaria and Girithale, has been identified as a potential zone for Ramsar wetland classification, meeting most of the criteria. One of the most captivating phenomena that occur in Kaudulla National Park is the elephant gathering on the banks of Kaudulla Lake. This remarkable event usually takes place between August and December, during the dry season when water becomes scarce in other parts of the park and adjacent sanctuaries. As the lake's water levels recede, it reveals lush, green grasslands beneath, attracting large herds of Sri Lankan elephants. The elephants moving through an elephant corridor first gather on the bank of the Minaria Lake, south of Kaudulla, during the months of July to September, but move on to Kaudulla National Park as the water and the access to feeding pastures reduces. This gathering is not just a spectacle, but also a vital survival strategy for these majestic creatures. Elephants from various parts of the park and even neighboring parks, such as Minaria and Hurulu Eco Park, converge on the banks of the lake to quench their thirst and graze on the nutritious grasses. It is estimated that during this period, you can witness herds of up to 200 elephants gathered at once, making it one of the largest elephant gatherings in the world. The sight of these gentle giants in their natural habitat is awe-inspiring. Visitors can observe their social interactions, playful behavior, and the nurturing care given to their young. It's a remarkable opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of the intricate social dynamics of these magnificent creatures. Another positive sign is that, despite the escalating human-elephant conflict, the number of elephants have increased in the dry zone of Sri Lanka. However, farmers in habitats and cultivations close to the park trespass to use the park's lush vegetation and water resources to feed their cattle and buffalo. Kaudulla National Park in Sri Lanka is not only an important conservation area, but also a place of natural wonder. Its tranquil ambience, tropical climate, and diverse geography makes it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in experiencing the beauty and biodiversity of Sri Lanka's natural world. And, of course, the elephant gathering on the banks of Kaudulla Lake is a highlight that should not be missed, offering a unique and unforgettable glimpse into the behavior of these gentle pachyderms in their natural habitat.